Robbins Financial Credit Union is committed to making banking more convenient than ever. In this video, we'll take a look at the Robbins Financial Credit Union mobile app and walk through how to make deposits using just your phone. You'll want to get started in the App Store or Google Play Store, where you should search for Robbins Financial Credit Union. When you find our app, it's a free download and easy to install. If you have already enrolled online, you can use the same username and password for the app. If not, you can enroll through your phone to create your username and password. Once you sign in, you will see a page that looks like a smaller version of our online account summary page, with the balances of your accounts in the middle and a menu button in the top left corner that opens similar options for navigation. If you want to add extra security features to your app, tap Menu and then Self-Service Options. There, you can select Enable Touch ID or Enable Passcode for an added layer of security. With the Robbins Financial app, you will be able to use your phone to do anything you're able to do online, including checking your account, transferring money, paying bills, and more. Most of these work in a very similar way to how they work online. Right now, we're going to take a look at one of our most popular app features, Mobile Deposit. To deposit a check using your phone, open the menu under Products and Services and tap Manage Mobile Deposit. Here, you need to review the agreement for making mobile deposits. Once you review it, you can tap the checkbox and the Accept button to agree. You should then see a message confirming your enrollment. To deposit a check, first you'll need to select the account you want to deposit the money into. Just tap the Deposit Account field, and then tap the account you want to deposit into. Then you need to tap Amount. This will bring up a numeric keypad. Go ahead and type in the amount of money on the check you are depositing. Next, you'll need to take a picture of the front and back of your check. Tap Front of Check to take the first photo. The app will ask permission to turn on your camera, and you will then see our check capture tool. To use this tool, you'll need to lie your check on a flat surface with the front side showing. Use your camera to align the top corners of the check with the bars on the screen. Once it's aligned, simply take a photo. Now, turn the check over to the endorsed side. Please endorse the check with "For mobile deposit only" under your signature. Checks without this endorsement may be declined. It's also a good idea to include your member number, share ID, and the date. Tap the Back of Check button and follow the same steps to take a photo of the back of the check. On the next screen, you'll have the chance to check the images, and you can tap them to retake either or both pictures, if necessary. Once the pictures look good, you can tap the button to submit deposit. If there is a problem with the images, you will be prompted to retake a picture. If everything is good, you will see a confirmation screen, and you're all set. After you've done a mobile deposit, you will want to mark the check prominently with the word "Void" to make sure you don't inadvertently try to deposit it again. If you aren't sure, you can easily check your check deposit history from your device. Just click on Deposit Check History. This will show you past activity. You can tap one tab to see a list of checks you've submitted, or the other tab to see checks that have been accepted. And there you have it. With your phone as your own automatic teller for Robbins Financial, depositing a check has never been easier. Happy banking! And thanks for watching today. For more information, call, click, or visit any of our branch locations.